You're late.
What time is it?
2 minutes after 6.
I'm not late. 2 minutes is not late.
Yes, it is. It's 2 minutes late.
Oh, look. It's 5 to 6. I'm early.
So, for your birthday on Saturday, there's a great French movie at the Avalon.
There's a baseball game on Saturday night.
Or there's a play at the Arts Center at 8 p.m. Life is a dream.
The Tigers are playing the Giants. You know, baseball?
Oh, look, there's a Mozart concert on Saturday. Would you like to go?
What time?
7:30.
The ball game's at 7.
Oh, wow. There's a talk by the writer Ellen Lee at the university
On Saturday night. Is your birthday on Saturday?
No. It's your birthday. Would you like to go to a baseball game for your birthday?
A baseball game. That sounds great.